your birthday?
September, my birthday.
Yeah, September, her birthday. You gave away our location.
What's the birthday?
Let's go downstairs! Woo! Okay, pizza Roomba! Come on, let's wait. This is my room. Purple walls and an annoying fan that won't shut up. Okay, downstairs. And now, we're right here. Look, I'm gonna throw the camera down. Ready, set, go. Woo! Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. Layla? We lost Layla. You wanna see a scary porcelain doll? It's over here. Go. That's creepy. It just watches you. It watches you sleep, man. It watches you. Layla, can you throw this down the stairs for me? Animal killer! Alright, here's 2 more. Here though, okay? Wait, not yet. Okay, let's put it down here. Woo! Let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Downstairs. Look at Mariah's ugly baby picture. Excuse me, but what? You have a fancy dress and then sneakers.
Guys, I don't want all this stuff down here.
We'll get it later. You can cut that out. Good job.
Right, their job was exactly. Now it's like
that was a barbecue. See, everybody's here. Woohoo! There's little D running. There's my dad. Daddy. No video. Mama. What? I am.
pull it up.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, not appropriate.
Hey, Layla.